Hello everyone, I am here to introduce to our project Re-ranking web document using personal preferences. Basically what happens in case of normal search engine is we enter some query and it shows the results corresponding to that query. So for example, if the user enters apple as the query, then he might be using apple, he might be talking about apple as a fruit or apple as a company. So the search engine needs to know the user intentions behind the search. For this, user search history can prove useful. Our project aims at doing the re-ranking of web documents returned as a search results using personal preferences. So our input is of the form this. Here we are provided with the user ID, session ID for the user, query ID and the corresponding document list. We also have the time duration for which these documents were viewed. So basically we have been provided with the data in the above format. Now the data is of 27 days. It is divided into two sets, 24 days data as the training data and another next 3 data is for validation data. We calculate the features from these data for all the queries and then feed these features into LambdaMart to get the model. Again for the all the queries in the testing data, we find the features. Now we use these features along with the model into the LambdaMart and get the list of all the documents. So LambdaMart returns these list of documents with some weightage assigned to each of the document. Sorting these documents on the basis of the weightage assigned gives us the result and we get the ranked output of the 10 documents. So in order to calculate the features, we calculate first assign the relevance values to each of the document. So relevance value of 0 is assigned to the document which is not at all clicked or for which the dwell time is less than 49 seconds. Then relevance 1 is assigned for dwell time between 49 and 499 seconds, and for dwell time greater than 499 seconds relevance value of 2 is assigned. Once the relevance values are assigned, we use the following features for a query queue being issued by user U. For all the queries in the user search history, which is same as the query queue, we use the relevance values of the documents returned for corresponding to this query. We also use a maximum and minimum relevance document from the document list returned for the query queue. Other than this, we use the document list for the queries other than the queue to get the features. Other important features includes the list of the documents clicked, missed or skipped to get the feature values for the document. After having the features, we use the above mentioned workflow to get a result of the ranked documents. In order to test the system, we upload our output files on the Yandex website and we get a score of 55% NDCG score. So that's all for the project. Thank you for listening to us.